Alright, today we're doing a lash lift and tint tutorial. So we're always starting off with the cleanse using the Elleebana makeup remover, then asking your client to look up so you can place the under eye pad down on their lower lashes to separate them from the top. Today we're using the Elleebana one-shot system, which uses a TGA active, so it's got super fast processing times. When we use the original glue adhesive, you want to apply a little bit on the rod first, and you'll notice it takes a little bit of time for the product to start getting sticky. This is because it needs air exposure to start the polymerization process. So it's best to dispense your glue adhesive on your palette a few minutes prior to starting the wrapping process, just to speed it up a little bit. You can see we're working quite slowly in the beginning, really holding those lashes down onto the rod to get that adhesion. We are also working in small sections to really perfect each section first before moving on to the next. This is because if you were to move too fast across the rod, the glue can set and make it harder to separate your lashes and perfect that wrap as you go. Alright, first lotion. So start off by applying the lotion in a single line across the lashes about 0.5 millimeter away from the roots, and begin working the lotions up the lash to the 3/4 mark. Work gently and slowly while dabbing the lotion onto the lashes. You can add a lift locker to secure the lashes in place if you need to. A quick flex check to tell us that our lashes have been processed for long enough, and we will remove the lotions with a cotton tip. Now we're going in and applying the second lotion to lock in that beautiful new curl. And again, you're going to go in with a cotton tip to remove the lotions when they're finished processing. When we incorporate a tint into the service, it's at this point where we recommend doing a lash bath to wash the lashes and remove the rod before doing a tint separate. Comment below if you need a video tutorial on how to do a lash bath and we can send it to you. But after the lash bath, we then apply Ellie Shield around the eye, which reduces skin staining. Apply the paper shields underneath the bottom lashes so that you can scoop the top and the bottom lashes together with this plastic Elleebana eye guard. This allows you to really press the tint into the lashes and get that depth of color. Plus, you can get really close to the lash line using this method. You only need to let the tint process for about 5 minutes. This is because the hair has already been chemically processed, meaning the tint color will penetrate into the cortex of the hair quicker than if you were just performing a tint alone. Finally, you want to perform a final lash bath, dry the lashes, and pop on some aftercare for this beautiful final result.